Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle of complicated wiring? The Scosche harness lets you connect an aftermarket stereo directly to your factory amplified system, no cutting wires, no guesswork. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your vehicle's factory harness, making installation straightforward and clean. What sets this apart is the use of factory-quality wire and connectors, plus standard color-coded wiring. That means you spend less time figuring out connections and more time enjoying your music. Just plug it in, and you're set. Keep in mind, it's not compatible with non-amplified factory systems, so double-check your setup before ordering. Scosche isn't new to this. For 40 years, they've been crafting reliable car stereo dash kits, wiring harnesses, and installation accessories. Their commitment to quality shows in every product, backed by a limited lifetime warranty that protects your purchase. Plus, their lifetime tech support ensures you're never left in the dark if questions pop up down the road. One customer shared how this harness brought their stereo back to life. Great product, works great. Now my Outlander's stereo has sound. Another praised the convenience, saying, couldn't find this in any store but good ol' Amazon had it. Product works exactly like it was supposed to, and now my speakers work. Lightning fast shipping. If you're tired of struggling with complicated stereo installs or worrying about damaging your factory wiring, this Scosche harness is worth a look. It delivers a clean, reliable connection that keeps your vehicle's original system intact while upgrading your audio experience. Ready to make the switch? This harness simplifies the process, so you can enjoy crisp sound from your aftermarket stereo without the headaches. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ride's audio and keep your installation smooth and secure.